Hey everyone, I'm here at the creek this morning. I'm gonna come out and try to see if I can get on some crappies. So you guys stay tuned, and we'll get back with you once we get to the water, start catching some fish. So we're here at the water, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this one here. It's the black body with the gray bottom. It's got the chartreuse tail on it. I'm gonna throw that in here and see. The water's gone down quite a bit, so I'm gonna see how deep or how shallow it is here. Maybe get on some crappie. It's a little baby crappie. I think this is by far my record small. Look at that, guys. My record small. Let's let him go. See you later, bud. There we go. Oh, Sandy. Oh, baby Sandy. Let's let him go. There we go. There we go. There's a bite. There's a bite. There's a bite. Oh, it's Sandy. I was like, man, he felt heavy. That's why. So Sandy. I'm not gonna keep it, but it's a keeper size. It's a nice one. Let's let him go. Well, I thought that was a nice crappie there. See if we can toss it in there. There it is. There it is. So it's Sandy. Oh, Sandy. There we go. Oh, there he was. Quick release. I'm gonna look at my hook. Hook looks fine. He's just sitting on it. Little baby. Little baby fish. been wounded. He's still healing. Still got time, bud. There it is. There's old crappie. It's a male crappie. Where you been at, dude? It's a male crappie. Just let him go. Where them biggins? Where them biggins? Baby. It's alright, it's a fish. It's a crappie though. It's a crappie. Just let him go. And little crappie are fun to catch too. Heck yeah. They're fun to catch. Alright guys, if you guys can tell, I haven't caught really much of anything besides a small crappie and a white bass. But I'm still on the hunt for going down the creek. I'm still on the hunt for them, so I'm not giving up until I can find them. A lot of times you gotta move around the creek. That's just the way it is. You gotta move around. You gotta find them, see where they're located. All right, guys, you guys stay tuned. If you guys are seeing this, I caught some fish, so stay tuned. There's our little crappie. There's our little baby. There's our crappie. Let's let him go. Promising. Yeah, it's promising. Let's see if they come back in here. It's Sandy. Oh, Sandy. So down below. Oh, Sandy. Not Crappie Sandbass, but it's a nice one. It's a cheaper.